This is the elevator at Allen Hall at the University of Pittsburgh with AdazElevatorz.
Allen Hall.
Actually, no, I don't hate this cab. Never mind.
Going down.
Wait, they added a voice since I filmed it. That's weird. This elevator did not have a voice last time. That is really weird.
Ground floor.
I swear, this elevator did not have a voice when I filmed it. Now you can send it up to 5.
Going up.
Gen 2, series near series 2 near up. This probably replaced something old.
Making interesting noises.
Yeah.
5th floor.
Now send it down to ground.
Going down.
Just your basic cab.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Oh,
That glitch
lovely.
again.
No, seriously, this elevator did not have a voice when I filmed it. You can watch my video and you'll see it doesn't. Has the stand clear of the door glitch.
3,000 pound capacity.
Ground
G.
floor.
Watch out, I can go down.
Going up.
Everything else that was the same. And that's it.
And that's it.